In this screencast, you're going to learn how to create QR codes to use in the classroom. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to go to a website that I want to send the students to. So for example, it could be going to Starfall ABC. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy or use Control C on my keyboard to copy the URL. The next thing I'll do is open up a new tab and I can just search for QR code generator. It should pop up. The very first link is called the QR code generator. I've also put a link to it on the October 2013 QR code generator right here. Now, when you're here, you can create a QR code from text, URL, a contact, phone number, and so we have a URL or a website. So the next thing I do is I just right-click and paste, or I use Control-V on my keyboard in order to paste that in there. It will create your own unique QR code for you. All you have to do is click on the Save button. It'll ask you to save it, and you'll click Save. Now, depending on what browser you're in, the way that it downloads is a little bit different. I'm using Google Chrome, and so it appears on the bottom left as a little download. It also will appear in your downloads. What I like to do is click on this little arrow and say Show in Finder or Show in Folder. It'll then tell me where this is located within my computer. It usually will appear in the downloads. So once this pops up, you'll see that it's on the local disk and it's in the download section up here. So here it is, ABC Starfall QR code. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get out of that because I just need to know where it is. The next thing I'll do is I'll go to Google Drive, or you could do Microsoft Word, and I'm just going to create a new Word document, Google Doc. I might want to title that Google Doc up on the top left-hand side. I could name it ABC QR code. You could also do it as all of your QR codes could be on here. So I might want to say ABC Starfall QR code. The next thing I need to do is I just go in and I insert the image. It'll ask me to find my image, so I choose an image to upload. I'm going to have to look in my downloads because that's where it was. So over here on the left-hand side, downloads I can find. And then I'll just look for my ABC Starfall QR code. Open. It will add the image right into there. I can make it a little bit bigger if I'd like for the kids, and I can choose as many as I'd like to put on this Google Doc. Then all you need to do is cut these out, put them on papers, put them around your classroom, and students will just scan this to go right into that website that you'd like them to go to.